Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Carol and I have something new for you today. I got this in the mail. It's by a brand called Moitie, and I think that's how you pronounce it. It's French, I don't know. Moitie Cosmetics, and it is a lash extension kit. So I'm really excited to try it out. If you're a regular watcher of my channel, you will know that I did have lash extensions done. And although I really love them and I love the way they look, the upkeep was just, it was just too much. It was expensive. It took a lot of time. And so I just decided that I was going to stop using them. And I went back to my regular lashes like I have now. So I was excited when I got this in the mail. Now I know that you can get a kit for $99.95, I think, or $99 on their website. I'll put all that information down below. They also have a free trial, and so you can go check them out at Moitie Cosmetics. And just so you know, I am not sponsored by Moitie or any other brand that is mentioned. They did send this to me to check out free, so that's all I'm getting out of this. So you will get my honest opinion on all of this. So let's dig in here. We have a bag. I'm assuming the lashes are in there. We have some foaming lash wash. Great. And we also have the priming glue. So is there anything else in here? Yes, there is. There is the lash removal gel right here. See that? There we go. I'm also getting over a cold. I was sick all weekend. It's no fun. I don't enjoy it. Do not recommend it. In this little bag, we have eye patches, gel eye patches here. We've got these little doohickeys right here for putting the lashes on, and we have the lashes themselves. Ooh, these are going to be very lashy. I'm gonna look on the website to see how much information is on there about how long they last, how easy they are to put on. So it says it's a 10-day lash kit, a great alternative to lash extensions, can be applied easily at home. Everything needed for gorgeous, lush, long-lasting lashes are included in the kit. And the kit comes with actually 3 of these for $99. And there is an instructional thing here. I'm gonna watch this real quick.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do your
Oh,
lash
she's
extensions
gorgeous.
at home by 10-day lashes, Moitie Cosmetics. First,
Moitie.
I'm putting glue
I think I said it
lash
right.
tray, and I'm curling my lashes with the lash curlers.
Oh, I don't think I have my lash curler around.
Are safer for the lashes because they're wider and they're not pulling up your lashes. I'm keeping this lash
We're gonna
curler
skip that
lashes
step.
only for 3 seconds. And I'm putting the glue underneath of the extensions and brushing over my natural lashes. It's helping them to have enough glue for sealing. After I put them together, I'm waiting for 10-15 seconds and then squeezing them together very well to make sure that all of my lashes are sealed together. Now I'm doing my second eye, and after
I should get my lash curler. I don't know where it is. All right, so I moved you guys in. My face is so red right now. It's just from being sick, and my hyperpigmentation is starting to come out a bit. So looks like this goes like this. It is a foaming cleanser. I'm just gonna clean my eyelashes really well. Get as much of the old makeup off as possible. There was some on there. Okay. Ooh. So I'm going to take some of this lash glue and I'm going to put it right here so that I can have kind of a working space. It's very liquidy. And these are interesting because they're not individual lashes. They are clumps of lashes like this. So we've got them like that. And these little tweezers did come with the kit, which is great. Dipping it into the solution here. Can you see that? Dipping it into the solution here. And this is the outer corner. How am I gonna do this? Let's try it this way. Just have to brush it on. You get it? All right, I think we've got one on. These are really long. Okay, number 2. Now, am I supposed to place these kind of close together, or... Okay, number 2 is on. Ooh, they're pretty. They are a little long for my taste, but after I'm done here, I'm going to do my makeup, so we'll see how they look after that. So let me just continue putting these on. Problem getting this one on for some reason. I think I need to clean these, and hopefully that will do it. Yeah, it looks like that's much less sticky on there. So that's something to keep in mind when you're putting these on, that your tweezers might start getting a little sticky. So you want to make sure that you are cleaning them as needed. Let's keep going. Okay, so the lashes are on. My eyes are just a little bit red from messing with them so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be right back. So here's how the lashes look with a full face of makeup. What do you think? I'm actually really liking them. I didn't expect to like them with my makeup that I tend to wear kind of daily. This is kind of a daily look for me. And I'm really enjoying them. I can see them working for day and evening and going out and things like that. And yeah, I'm kind of liking them. A few things to consider. These guys are very sharp, the tweezers that are sent with them. So you have to be really careful with this around your eye. When you're putting on your lashes, make sure you're always pointing this out and not in. You can use this to separate your lashes a little bit, but be extremely careful. Secondly, they were not bad to put on. They were a little bit cumbersome, but it was my first try putting them on, and so it wasn't too terrible. If you're used to putting fake lashes on, then you should put these on without a problem. Number 3, the lash glue that is included in it is great. It's very strong. It dries fairly quickly, so it's not like regular lash glue where you have to kind of let it get tacky. It is immediately ready to use right then and there, so just keep that in mind. And I actually didn't use all of the lashes on my eyes. There had 1, 2, 3, 4. There was 5 sections for each eye. I only used 4 sections for each eye just because I felt like if I put more in the corners, it might just be a little overkill for me. So just know you don't have to use all of the lashes that are included in the kit. What else? One other thing is if you go out and they become loose or you lose one, you lose an entire clump. So it's not just like 1 or 2 lashes like regular lash extensions. So just bear that in mind. If you're going out, you're going on vacation, you're doing anything like that, be sure to bring the little kit with you so that you can do any kind of repairs that you need to do. And these do last 10 days. So your lashes will be growing out as they go. And so you just want to keep that in mind as well. They're not going to last 2, 3, 4 weeks like the lash extensions you get at a salon, just because they're not singles. They are in sections, just to keep it easier for you. And I think that's it. Overall, I would say, I mean, they are a fraction of the cost of a lash extension session that you would get at a salon. So $99 for like a month of lashes is a far cry from what you would get at the salon. So if you're looking to try the lash extensions, but you don't want to pay the money, or you don't have the money to pay, you can always try this as an alternative. It's definitely a nice alternative to try. So with that said, thank you so much for joining me. I am always appreciative of all of my watchers and subscribers. If you are not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you know every single time I upload. I do some unboxings of clothing and things like that. My next video is actually going to be an unboxing of a ThredUp rescue box. So if you haven't heard of those, go check them out. Search for them in YouTube. They're kind of mesmerizing. It's kind of crazy. So I should be getting one of those boxes by the end of the week. So keep a lookout for that. And I will see you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye.